What's up with the TikTok family, TikTok friends, whatever the fuck you wanna be to me? Hey, it's your boy Smoke with AD. Yeah, we got another one, I know I ain't dropped a video in a while. I told you I had to find these guards. I've been so searching for these guards, but let's get to it. Let's get started, let's pop in. Ooh, y'all, I told you I was gonna find one. I only found one, so we only got one. So right now we got Big Dog, as y'all can see, Russian Cream. Russian cream. I know everybody got Russian cream, but we're gonna see how this Russian cream is. So let's go ahead and pop it open and get started. Y'all know the word, say it with me. Booyah! Pop it open and give y'all a smell. Yeah, it kinda stink. I don't really like the smell on it. Dark leaf, as y'all can see. A little dark leaf. Found it, pop it back in. Booyah. Y'all know the motto. We're gonna roll it up, we're gonna smoke it, we're gonna come back and we're gonna give y'all a view. It's your boy Smoke with AD, and I'm out.